Lighting.
Lighting?
Yes, lighting.
You want to be friend on Facebook?
Yes, of course. Never know when you need the military boots.
So Mirko, it's time for the afternoon's first beer. It's Bia Viet, and Bia means beer. So it's a cool brew, a lager. Let's try it. Cheers.
Tastes like all the other ones. I don't feel a difference.
No, they are a little bit stronger than the Bia Hoi ones.
Yes, but they all taste the same.
Yeah.
It's time to plan also.
It's time to plan. We are going to Sapa.
The mountains.
In the mountains we have booked a 2-day, 1-night trek, but we will stay there actually 4 days. If we are lucky, we will see one of the most beautiful landscapes in north of Vietnam.
And we will have a bus there and back.
Yeah.
Let's hope it's a good bus.
Yeah, might be a challenge as everything else in this country.
Let's hope they have air conditioning and toilet. It's 6 hours there. So we are going to
Sapa.
Sapa.
It's the highest city in Vietnam, 1,600 meters, and we are more than halfway. First stop might be Lao Cai, which is the border city with China, and then the last leg is uphill from sea level to 1,600 meters. It's weekend in Vietnam, so there are many people escaping the town, going to the mountain or to the sea.
In the world's strangest bus.
The world's strangest bus. It's like going on a long sail.
It's like being on a space shuttle.
Yeah. With a panorama window.
Yes.
And quite nice landscape from time to time. Rice fields and hills.
The TV with no signal.
Trees.
And a massage chair.
And a massage chair. I don't know, it's a little bit overkill. It's kind of... I could probably end up with rubber boots for €1 or €2.
And they predict rain, heavy rain.
Heavy rain. Like shake.
It looks like the karaoke room.
It's really the opposite to Scandinavian design. The more kitsch, the better.
Post office.
ngập ngừng sương răng lối phố xôn xao nhịp vẫy đung đưa.
Back to the noise.
Hi.
Do you want drink more?
Drink more. We start with a beer. Thank you.
They have this. They need schnapps.
Không cái này đổ cho này nhưng mà đấy bao giờ hơi thì đổ biết đấy không phải của tao. Ai đổ vào không? Này bát của tao lên.
Shrimp, fish with fish inside.
Springa och titta på de där stående och tänka att det här blir en bra middag.
I need to buy boots, rubber boots. You are lucky. You find
I
yours.
found boots in Hanoi.
The sizes didn't fit at all. I don't know. You have 43, I have 42, and it was like zero scoring for me.
Shoe sizes are not that reliable here
Nope.
in Vietnam. So 41 is too big, 43 is too small, and they don't have 42. So.
And you have to try both of them before you
They don't match
pay and go.
usually, yes.
Yeah. But I know in Sapa there are plenty, and I think I'm going for these high rubber boots, the local ones, cheap ones.
We will go walking tomorrow.
Yeah.
Those shoes are too bad. I need good shoes or better ones.
The shoe.
Shoe.
Yeah. Shoes. We don't have the raw size. This one is. When you reno every no problem.
Absolutely no problem. I love the design on the logo as well. Juventus. No.
No.
Oh, they were even better, those ones.
You can hide your feet in the forest.
Here go.
I think it's girls' boots, but it doesn't matter.
Okay. They cannot be expensive, those ones. No. Almost for free.
No free.
Almost. Okay, I take these ones.
Yeah.
One left and then one right shoe.
Yes.
Yes,
well,
that's good. Will it be cold in the night?
no, like that one is not cold in the night.
Not cold.
Because now summer time, not winter.
Yeah.
It's a bit hot more than here.
Aha.
Yeah.
That's
A
good.
bit hotter than here.
Hotter more than here.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Because in here 1,600
Mhm.
in the
Meters.
900 or 1,000 meters.
So we're going down.
Yeah, go down.
That means tomorrow it will be easy going down. And
Yeah.
Ah, I thought it was the
Tomorrow
opposite.
you go to Tavan or Ban Ho?
I have no idea.
No idea.
No.
We just follow the
Guide. We have a guide.
The
Sapa
guy-
sister guide.
I think maybe 1 day or 2 day. 2 day, 1 night.
One night
today.
today.
Maybe you stay in the Tavan villages.
Fan vad bra det är.
You don't know yet how much, but
And she has a speaker.
find out. Maybe it could be
Now
a
you go
concert.
to the.
Do you sing karaoke at work? You're a funny woman.
These are not in the. If you singing, only you hearing this. Not everything, not here. Yeah.
Hallå?
Right now. Yeah, we live stream. You know live stream? In Facebook.
Facebook?
Yeah, Facebook. Live stream. Live stream.
Lai Chin.
Yeah, live stream.
You want to be friend on
Ah,
Facebook?
yes, of course. Never know when you need the military boots.
Please write your name.
Or
My name?
Because there are probably
Spider-Man.
2,000.
Thank you very much.
Hang up line.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Nu.
boots are made for walking, and that's just what they do. One of these days these boots are gonna walk home.
How about this opium drink was?
That was something to remember.
What was the name of our hotel?
It was some view place.
Luamöy.
But we have a concert booked.
We have a concert. We have one. We have
No,
two.
okay, yeah, but at least
We have one in
here
Sapa.
in the city, in the village.
After the trekking, we will do a concert. We will promote it. Not sure really. Here is our hotel. Skytown View Hotel. Hotel.
Hotel without H and restaurant without T. Kaitan view.
Yeah.
Let's see the view tomorrow.
Put the alarm clock because.
No, I won't. No.
Okay, I will show you the clip.
So
And
please.
those boots will make me walk in. Okay, give it some kind of review. What do you think?
It's amazing.
You will not find it in Stockholm, for sure.
Somebody's been partying here. Hello. Yeah, they started partying there. Yeah, there was a guy
Number
sleeping
four,
there. Yes.
Elevator concert,
Yes.
for God's sake.
Okay.
Jesus. Give me the camera. Yeah. Take your time. Take your time.
And now again.
Helvete vad röd i ansiktet.
3 or 4.
It's 2 seconds. No stress. I need number 4. Mirko, you have to press the button.
But I have only 2 hands. And I don't know if it's 3 or 4.
It's 4.
You can also have a room with a view on the hall.
And your stomach is still okay after our fabulous dinner?
Yeah, it's now it's safe probably. Let's say
safe.
in the morning, but
The drinks tonight?
opium, very
Opium,
good.
apple, plum.
Plum.
Thank you. Thank you. One.
Yeah, it's really something amazing. €6.
See you tomorrow morning.
Yes, 9 o'clock downstairs.
Yep.
That's what you get for €40 in Sapa village. And curtains that can be lifted if you want to see who's showering. I don't really see the point, but you can show yourself to whoever is lying in bed. And techno lights included in the price. And don't bother. Disco time.